Skyler and Anthony's show. We are going to talk about, let's talk about Dom Manzo. It's like he knows. It's like he knows. Speaking of Dom Manzo, there he is. The guy's a ball of energy. So what do you want to say about Dom Manzo? I want to say, Dom Manzo, he's a ball of energy. And he's an undeniable force in leadership because he really knows how to fire people up. And I think a great skill of a leader is being a motivator. And Dom's leadership definitely comes with a high degree of motivation. Would you agree?
Absolutely. Dom is definitely good for getting people going, getting them through the steps, in the woods, but in the woods of taking it step by step, right? You know, instead of just being lost in the sauce and the stress, Dom will be there to be able to get you started, get you through all those beginning hiccups and get you really motivated. Dom's a great guy. You know, like I said, 2 days ago, I just met Dom, and just meeting him in those last couple of days, he's definitely, you know, been motivating. He loves to point out the good in people. He loves to tell people that they're going to do great, and you know, he's always encouraging. So that's a big takeaway from Dom.
Yeah, that's a great
Lots
word.
of encouragement.
That is a great word for Dom. So if you've got any questions that you think a motivating and encouraging person like Dom Manzo could help you with, I encourage you to reach out for some encouragement. Does that make sense? Does that track?
Yeah,
I think it tracks. So Dom Manzo is available through the Asphalt Kingdom Coaching and Mentorship program, and he's a value. He happens to be stationed out of the East Coast area, but the way that the program works is we can really have him fly into any area and help you in your region with the things and opportunities that you have for him. If you'd like to reach out to Dom through his coaching page, you can find him through Asphalt Kingdom directly through the website. You can find him on social media, and we're going to make sure to put some links to his information and details below. So Dom's a great guy, and I'm looking forward to you reaching out to him.
Don't forget, if you need the help in getting started and you need encouragement, Dom's your guy.
Dom is the guy.
If you liked this video, go ahead and check out this video, or check out this video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe right here below.